The human brain is one of the most complex and fascinating organs in the body, responsible for controlling everything from basic bodily functions to higher cognitive processes. Here are some interesting facts about the human brain and its cognitive functions. Neurons and synapses. The brain is composed of approximately 86 billion neurons, specialized cells that transmit electrical and chemical signals. These neurons form trillions of connections called synapses, allowing information to be processed and transmitted throughout the brain. Brain size. Despite weighing only about 3 pounds on average, the human brain accounts for about 2% of the body's total weight. However, it consumes about 20% of the body's energy and oxygen, highlighting its high metabolic demands. Plasticity. The brain exhibits remarkable plasticity, or the ability to reorganize and adapt in response to experiences, learning, and injury. This plasticity allows the brain to recover from damage, compensate for deficits, and even rewire itself to accommodate new skills and knowledge. Language processing. The left hemisphere of the brain, particularly the areas known as Broca's area and Wernicke's area, is primarily responsible for language processing. Damage to these areas can result in language deficits such as aphasia, affecting a person's ability to speak, understand, or produce language. Memory formation. Memory formation involves multiple regions of the brain, including the hippocampus, amygdala, and prefrontal cortex. Memories are encoded, stored, and retrieved through complex neural circuits, with different types of memories, e.g., episodic, semantic, procedural, relying on distinct brain networks. Emotional regulation. The amygdala, located deep within the brain's temporal lobes, plays a central role in processing emotions such as fear, anger, and pleasure. It interacts closely with other brain regions, including the prefrontal cortex, to regulate emotional responses and behaviors. Mirror neurons. Mirror neurons are a specialized type of neuron that fires both when an individual performs an action and when they observe someone else performing the same action. These neurons are believed to play a role in empathy, imitation, and social learning. Brain waves. The brain produces rhythmic electrical activity known as brain waves, which can be measured using electroencephalography, (EEG). Different brain wave patterns, such as delta, theta, alpha, beta, and gamma waves, are associated with different states of consciousness, from deep sleep to heightened alertness. Executive functions. The prefrontal cortex, located at the front of the brain, is involved in executive functions such as decision-making, planning, inhibition, and working memory. These cognitive abilities are essential for goal-directed behavior and self-regulation. Neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to reorganize its structure and function in response to learning, experience, and environmental changes. This lifelong process enables the brain to adapt to new challenges, acquire new skills, and recover from injury. These fascinating facts about the human brain highlight its complexity, adaptability, and essential role in shaping our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors.